Hello. Today I'm going over lesson 3 proportions. The first 3 questions are the vocabulary, so just look at the top for those. These are some of the problems that you have. It just wants you to tell if they are proportionate or not. So we will start with this first problem. How do we get 4 to 16? If you count by fours, it's times 4. So whatever you do to the top, you do to the bottom. Is 9 times 4 36? Yes, it is. So this one would be proportionate, and you just click the yes, okay? Now the next one, how do we get 3 to 12? 3 times 4 is 12. Whatever we do to the top, we also have to do to the bottom. So 4 times 4, is that 16? Yes. This is also proportionate. So this one actually goes from a bigger number to a smaller, so you would be dividing. 10 divided by what equals 5? 10 divided by 2. So then we have to do the same thing to the bottom. Is 15 divided by 2 8? No. So this one is not proportionate. That's all you have to do for the first few questions. And I have a few more like that we're going to go over. I'm going over 9 of your problems, and I think there's 14 or 15. So we'll keep going. Okay, so how do I get 1 to 5? 1 times, that's right, 5. So then I have to do the same thing to the bottom. Is 4 times 5 20? 5, 10, 15, 20? Yes. So this is proportionate. We've got a bigger number going to smaller, so we have to divide. 9 divided by what equals 1? Anything divided by itself is 1. So 9 divided by 9 is 1. Is 18 divided by 9 3? No, it's 2. So this should actually be a half. It's not proportionate. Okay, this one's where it gets a little bit trickier because getting 3 to 2, you can't divide it evenly. If you divide the 3 by 2, you're actually going to have to do 3 divided by 1.2 to get 2. So then you have to do the same thing to the bottom. 8 divided by 1.2. And it does not equal 5. So these are not proportionate. Okay? So we've gone over 6 problems. I've got a few more right here. These are the last 3 I'm going to go over. So this one, it wants you to make it proportionate. We have to figure out what x equals. So how do I get 1 to 5? 1 times what equals 5? 1 times 5. So whatever we do to the top, we also have to do to the bottom. 5 times 5 is what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this x should equal 25. Okay, now we're looking for this top one. So we're going to start with the bottom. We're going from a bigger number to a smaller, so we are going to divide. 28 divided by what equals 4? 28 divided by 7 equals 4. So then I have to do the same thing to the top. Well, I can't do x divided by 7, right? But 4 times 7 equals 28. So I can do 2 times 7 equals x. 2 times 7 is 14. Here's another one that it's not going to be a whole number. 6 times what equals 15? So to figure that out, you actually have to do 15 divided by 6. 15 divided by 6 is 2.5. So 6 times 2.5 is 15. So then you have to do 2 times 2.5. 2 times 2.5 is 5. So x is 5. Okay, those are all the examples I'm going over now. If you need any help, message me. There you go.